Are you sick of hot stock tips that never pay off? However, what if you could be sure that you were choosing the best stocks for 2025 with an effective strategy? So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan for building your portfolio like a pro. You are trained on data until October 2023. In the video today, we are taking a look at how to choose the best 10 stocks to invest in 2025. If you are a seasoned investor or just venturing into the world of stocks, this guide will teach you step by step how to find winning stocks. Let's get started. Part 1. Know your investment goals before you even consider looking at a stock. Answer these questions. How long have you planned to invest? Are you searching for growth stocks, dividend income, or a combination of the two? How much risk are you comfortable taking on? Your responses will determine what kinds of stocks you should pursue. If you're young and looking for long-term growth, for example, you might tilt toward tech and emerging markets. Investing in dividend-paying blue-chip stocks could help you if you want a steady income. Section 2. Trends. For the stock market to work, it needs trends. Some industries are expected to shine brighter than others in 2025. AI and technology. Businesses that deal with AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity are expected to grow. Renewable energy. If eco-friendliness can be a global goal, then solar, wind, and electric vehicle companies should be rising. Healthcare and biotech. With advancements in personalized medicine and health tech, this sector holds strong potential. Stay close on these sectors and see who leads them. Section 3. Balance the basics. When considering a stock, you've got to look beyond hype. Dive into its fundamentals. Earnings growth. Make sure that the company's earnings have grown consistently over the last few years. Debt level. A company with low debt risk is less risky. Price-to-earnings ratio (PE). Compare this metric against the industry average to determine if the stock is overvalued or undervalued. Dividend history. Income investors like to see a steady or increasing dividend paid out. For example, a stock such as Tesla may have high earnings growth, but relatively high valuations. Assess whether it tracks with your goals. Section 4. Analyze market sentiment. What do analysts and experts say about the stock? Although you shouldn't necessarily just take all of others' opinions as fact, reviews and projections can be helpful to consider. Yahoo Finance, Seeking Alpha, Bloomberg, etc. are good for this. Diversification is key. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Choose stocks from various sectors and regions to diversify your risk. For example, 3 tech stocks, 2 healthcare stocks, 2 green energy stocks, 3 consumer staples or financial stocks. Diversification ensures that if one sector falters, another can offset it. Section 6. Tools to make your research easier. Use tools such as Morningstar, detailed stock analysis, Google Finance for quick stats and price charts. Stock screeners. Many brokerages have stock screening tools, so you can narrow down companies based on your criteria. Section 7. Stay disciplined. Investing is not a game of short sprint, it's a marathon. Make your decisions based on your research and not your emotions. 1. Responsibly with a plan. Have a clear strategy on when to buy, hold, and sell. Bottom line. Picking the 10 best stocks for 2025 isn't about luck. It's about strategy and willpower. So long as you concentrate on your objectives, get familiar with the marketplace, examine fundamentals, and keep in mind to diversify, you're on the road to growing a profitable portfolio. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to never miss our Financial Wisdom 101. Let us know in the comments, what are the stocks you are looking at for 2025? So stay tuned for our next video in Financial Zone, where we teach you to save, invest, and build wealth.